How to change Bitmoji hairstyle on Snapchat. If any day recently you have changed your hairstyle in your real life and you're a Snapchat user, and therefore you would also like to change your hairstyle of your Bitmoji on Snapchat, but you do not know how to do that, just follow the following steps. For this, first of all, you have to launch the very Snapchat application on your mobile device. For that, you can find the very Snapchat application, and after you find it, you have to tap on Snapchat like this. After you tap on Snapchat like this, Snapchat will be launched on your very mobile device. After that, you have to go to the top like this, which is your profile like icon. And after you tap on your profile like icon like this, you can see an interface like this. Now here you have to tap on your Bitmoji here. And when you tap on your Bitmoji, you can see an interface like this. Now here you have to tap on the option of poses and the background and tap on poses. Now after you tap on poses, you can see an interface like this where you can only be able to change your poses. But since we would like to change our hairstyle, we have to go to the next option. That is, we have to go to the option of changing our Bitmoji also. Therefore, what we can do is now we have to go scroll down like this. And after we scroll down, we have to go to the option of settings. And after tapping on settings, now we have to tap on Bitmoji. After tapping on Bitmoji, now we have to tap on edit my Bitmoji. After tapping on edit my Bitmoji, now in the first option, we can see the option of hairstyle. Now what we can do is we can change our hairstyle by tapping on like this to any of the hairstyle that we want, and our Bitmoji's hairstyle will be changed. Now if you change your Bitmoji's hairstyle like this, after you change it, you have to go to the option of save, and the hairstyle of your Bitmoji will be changed the way that you want. There are multiple hairstyles that are here, and you can change it to the way you want. Thank you for watching our video, and if you really like it, do not forget to subscribe our channel.